Migs, ano naman yung feeling pag nakikita mo yung mga students ng IM Plus na nagiging successful talaga sila? And nagkakaroon ng exponential growth.
Yeah. Honestly, I feel humbled. Syempre, parang there's a sense of fulfillment na to see the people who attended your program tapos nagkaroon ng change, nagkaroon sila ng pagbabago. Na parang it's a mixture of humility and pride. Di ko alam kung paano nag-work yun. Pero you feel humbled being able na nabigyan ka ng oportunidad and the privilege to be a part of it. Na naging, I would say, susi ka or naging instrument ka for that to happen. Pero syempre, meron ding sense of pride na whatever I'm doing works. So it allows me to do even more.
And lalaki pa lalo yung IM Plus coaching kasi yung mga taong naging successful with your program is sila na mag-share. Kasi ako hindi ko mapigilan yung sarili ko na i-share.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
And yun, Coach, ano naman yung masasabi mo dun sa mga students na parang syempre, dalawa yan. Merong naging successful, merong hindi. No? Pero along the way, meron talagang hindi na kukuha yung training. Ano yung masasabi mo sa mga taong?
I respect them. They're still welcome, I would say. That's the beauty of coaching. The coaching kasi doesn't tell you what to do. It allows you, it's providing you with powerful questions. And as far as IM Plus is concerned, it's providing you with powerful experiences and powerful questions that will allow you to discover. Kaya nga siya discovery. It allows you to discover yourself. I don't tell you what to do because it's not my life. Sabi ko nga, the only person I get to change is myself. The only person where I get to tell what to do is myself. So I leave that to my audience or I leave that to the participants na ang tanging magbabago ng buhay mo, kayo rin.
Oo, kami pa rin.
Yes. So that's the beauty of coaching. Kaya, of course, they're still welcome. Because maybe...
Yun ang maganda sa inyo kasi you have the parang once na nag-enroll ka, pwede kang bumalik-balik. Nang libre na.
Yes,
diba? Nasa sayo na lang. Oras na lang, bigyan mo na lang ng oras. Para sa sarili mo pa rin.